Good morning guys, good morning po mga kasangkap. Isang magandang araw po sa inyo. Isang panibagong araw at isang panibagong vlog na naman. Ayan, for today's video, magluto po tayo ng spaghetti. Napakasarap. Pang merienda spaghetti Thailand style. Yes, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Thank you guys, bye bye, take care always and always. God bless. See you guys on my next vlog. Kain na na spaghetti. Okay na, luto na. Thank you for watching.